Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is HAMIZA BINTI Khalil. I'm from class 10 M1101C. So today I'm gonna do title assignment which is spreadsheet software. So by using this Excel. So this is Excel. So from this Excel, I'm gonna go to Excel sheet number 2 because sheet number 2 is like a different page. So in number 2, I'm gonna make a table and chart. But first, I'm gonna make a title. So by clicking here, A1, when I click A1, it gonna turns into a green box. So here, the green box, it's called active cell. So active cell is when I write something here, it's gonna go into the active cell. So I'm gonna put the title. So the title is Student SMK Cyberia. Okay, so when I write here, you're gonna go stay into the A1. But first, I'm gonna change the style of the word. So I'm gonna choose this. As we can see here, there are many names and we can see a different style. So we call it font style. Okay, I'm gonna use every rounded empty bold because it looks like big and black. So I'm gonna change the size. I'm gonna use the more bigger size is the more bigger number is the more bigger size. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna use number 12. I don't want too big. So here is the title. Ta-da! Favorite sports of student SMT Cyberia. Right at the box up there. Okay, now I'm gonna make a table first. Okay, after I make the title, I'm gonna make the table. Where the sports name, football. Um, it's not true things because this, for example, is tutorial, right? So it's only tutorial. So I'm just gonna put a random number. Mm. So maybe you guys are like thinking why I didn't put the title of I did not put title the header of the table. For me it's easy to write the content first, then I put the header. Okay. So from this is done table. So I'm gonna right here, and here's the square box things, quick analysis. So this is the style we want: formatting, charts, totals, tables. Okay, we can see here difference. Okay, but I'm gonna make a table, so I'm gonna go to the table. Okay, so this is the table. Okay, the column is the here. So I'm gonna change the word. So here I'm gonna put sports. Here I'm gonna go into like um form 1 until form 5 of the student. Okay, I think maybe it not make sense because 64 students, no, but it's just a tutorial. Okay, one free. Okay, so guys, maybe I know you guys like think why I didn't change the font style of the table. It because I think I want to. It looks formal. So I'm just gonna let it be. Okay, I'm gonna change the style of the table so we can see it's too many like medium. So I'm gonna make my favorite color, but let me think first. I wanna look formal, not too weird. Okay, I'm gonna change orange color. Okay, so this is the table, but okay. Now I'm gonna change back. Okay, I'm gonna change. If you guys can see, why I do this because I want to change the style alignment. So what is style alignment? So you're gonna guys go see. Ta-da! So this is style alignment. Alignment is like the word you want to change. It's like you need to go to the center of the box, maybe left to the box, right to the box, upper or down. But I'm gonna make it looks formal, so I'm gonna put it center. Okay. Okay, from this table, I'm gonna go turn it into a chart by is as easy as ABC. But first, I'm gonna go to insert. Um, so this is the insert column. Okay, I'm gonna go to. So this is a chart group. Okay, there is too many style of charts. Insert hierarchy chart. Insert waterfall chart. But I'm gonna use this into column or bar chart. It's because I want to look formal, easy, but perfect. Yeah. So in that it have styles too. 2D column, 3D column, 2D bar, 3D bar, but I'm gonna choose column because I think it looks yeah. Okay. So this the magic star. When I click it, it's turned suddenly into a chart. I don't have to make a number to draw a line, to draw the colors of things, stuff. No, I just make it into the chart as easy as ABC. Okay, I'm gonna make it bigger here. So, okay, so I'm gonna change the color maybe. So this is the chart style. Design, I mean, chart design. I can change the color, but I don't want it. I want to look white because it's easy people to see it. Okay, so I'm gonna not gonna change. I'm only gonna put the title because I don't know why it doesn't have the title too, or maybe I don't drag it too. So the title of the table is favorite sports of student SMK Cyberaya. So I'm gonna make favorite. This is the title of the chart. And that is the chart. I'm gonna change the chart title like color to make it easy to interact people to read it. Okay. I'm gonna change the color, a solid color I think, but it's too blue. But I'm gonna choose the light blue. Okay, so that is the chart and the title chart from a table into a chart as easy as ABC. Okay, I'm gonna change it big, make it bigger size. I just drag that in every corner. Okay, and now I drag it here below to make it pretty, smart, and easy to see. So this is the result. Okay, so I hope you guys know how to use Excel spreadsheet software from what I taught you guys. So that's all from me. Thank you to see my video and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.